Hey guys, JR here. So it's been a little while since I reached out to you and I wanted to kind of bring you up to date on a couple things. But before I do that, what I would like to do is encourage you to find your assessment summary forms here. Here's mine. These were given to you when you did your design discovery meeting and completed your program. And print out a copy and take it to your pastor and ask him how you can serve and minister to the body of your local church through that particular design. You might be the answer that they're looking for. And I got to tell you, there's nothing more encouraging when somebody comes up to you and says, "How can I help?" So if you don't find or you can't find your assessment summary form, let me know. We'll try to find a copy of it and email it to you. And bless your pastor this weekend, this Easter weekend, by saying, "How can I help by working within my design, by living out my purpose at the church?" We also have a workshop coming up this Tuesday, April 2nd, and we would like to invite as many of the graduates that want to come back and participate with us. It's a really new format because we have now released our digital online workshop. So what we're trying to do is do a hybrid where the bulk of the teaching is done through the very well done videos that were created by Caleb and Kirsty and Kristen and them. And by using that, we will do the bulk of the teaching through the videos and then do a little summary in the actual workshop live presentation, then lots of Q&A. So if there's some things that you've forgotten about purpose and identity and design, come join us. Be part of this new hybrid. We are excited about this because this is going to be the model going forward for all of our online teaching, and we would love to get as much feedback as we possibly can. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. You guys have my number. You can either catch us on Facebook or text me or however else that you want to do that. So thank you for being part of our ministry. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your support. We are really looking forward to what 2024 has to offer. If you haven't checked it out, go to brushfires-digital.com. Register for free. Poke around. There's a lot of free resources there. And if you feel like this is a ministry that you want to support, look for the Join the Membership Support Team and join us with that as far as helping us support this ministry. Thank you so much. You're appreciated and loved. Cheers.